Good day. I got something special in this round of my property tour. Beautiful bungalows with its top-notch furnishing presenting to you this magnificent house at Sri Damai, Bukit Rimau. The land area is 6,700 square feet and it comes with a beautiful fish pond. And if you love to hang out outdoor, there's a spacious side patio for your family to chill out. This house is really spacious. The build-up is 4,500 square feet. It consists of 5+1 rooms, 2 storerooms and 6 bathrooms. Every inch of this house has been renovated with its finest materials and branded fixtures. This house is in excellent condition and is ready to move in upon sale. Isn't this property amazing with its quality and superb condition? Practically, you don't have to do much renovation, especially the cost is so high in this time. Give me a call and I can't wait to show you this beautiful bungalow.